You know, every year thousands of people go down to Jamaica to actually get business done. Um, but I don't think it's any secret that sometimes going to government agencies in Jamaica or banks can be entire day ordeal. Now, it has gotten better over the years, I have to admit. You know, there's been a lot of reforms and so forth, and the wait time is oftentimes short. But there's still too many instances in which a person can waste all day going to take care of a simple little thing like a birth certificate. All right. What I want to do today is just to suggest to you a few things that might speed the process along and may be very helpful. So let's say you're going to Jamaica to actually renew a birth certificate or get a death certificate, whatever it may be. My suggestion is going to be this. Number one, first thing, visit the government website or the bank's website and actually familiarize yourself with the process, how things work, you know what different things mean, and so forth. Next, I'm going to suggest you print the forms you need. Go ahead and print the forms you need. Do not wait to go down and have someone hand you a form and you sit in a long line filling out forms, and which may very well lengthen your wait time. So print the forms you need and get them ready. Check the documents properly to make sure that the documents match the services that you're seeking to get done. If you're not sure, I'm going to tell you, send a query email to that office, the government agency or the bank, to actually verify and confirm if those documents are actually the ones you really do need. The next thing, one of the important thing is many of those documents need to be notarized. If you're in the United States and you need the documents to be notarized, notarize them ahead of time. All the documents you need. If you're in England, Canada, it may require justice of the peace. Get all of those things verified before you actually go down. Do not go down to Jamaica searching for justice of the peace who may know you to get the documents certified. All right, so do that ahead of time. Take copies. This is very important. Take copies of the forms you've filled out and notarized or are certified already. Take copies of them with you. It may be easier to hand the agents the copies of what they need rather than them running around to get copies done and stuff like that. Okay? Um, the other thing I'm going to suggest is, and this is for me, it's very important. Every step of the way you go, take the name of the person you dealt with, anyone who helped you. Take the name of that person. Ask them if you can. It's okay to call them back. If you have to wait for documents to come back to you, or you have to pick them up or whatever it may be, ask them if it's okay to call them back and just check on the progress of the requested documents. All right. So those are what I consider to be some very helpful tips. Okay. I hope those are helpful. So thanks again for watching Wake Up and Live with Bob. If you haven't yet done so, please like, share, subscribe, click the notification bell, and tell someone about us. Thanks again for watching.